What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Notorious B.I.G. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyelid. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's move over towards the left. We're going to bend this out and then down. Let's line this up on the right. Going across and then down. Let's move back to the inside. We're going to fold up the brow, coming in and up towards the inside. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. We're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming around and then up underneath. On the top left side, add a small half circle for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to move up and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve. From the outside, we're going to go up and then down. Line that up on the right. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to go up higher in the middle and then back down. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's go underneath the eyes. We're going to add a fold, coming down and then out. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curves down, across, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start with a curve going up and then down. And I'll add in the upper lip. In the center, going up and then down toward the left, and then the right. Connect the corners of the mouth with the lower lip, coming down and then up. Underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve from left to right for the chin. Down and then up. Let's go out to the side of the head and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start on the left, curve the cheek, going around. And we want to tuck this in underneath the chin and do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around and then tucking that in. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the head, going up and then in towards the edge of the crown. And we're going to wrap the crown around the head. On the left side, we're going to step down, bend this out and up, go across the top of the head. Now we want to angle this down and then out. Let's tuck the right side of the head up underneath, and we'll wrap the crown in behind. Let's draw the edge of the hairline, starting back on the left, bend this up around the eyebrow, and then in, go up, and then in underneath. On the right, just tuck this up. Let's add in the ears, starting on the left, going up, around, and then in. And then we're going to add a fold across the top of the ears with a curve. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Let's fill the side of the head in black. Now from the outside of the crown, we're going to draw two straight angle lines. One on the left going up in an angle towards the top of the crown. Draw that same length line on the right. Now on the ends, we're going to draw a small circle. Now we're going to add two more points along the inside. So on the left, we're going to step in, curve this down, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a circle on the ends. Now I want to step in, add one more curve, coming across the middle, and then back up. Along the bottom, we're going to add a trim, stepping up, along that same curve, going across. And then we're going to add some gemstones along the side. Let's start from the top, left, add a circle, add one going out towards the right, and we'll do that two more times. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside of the jacket. We're going to start on the left side of the chin, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom, line that up on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the jacket, going out and then up. Curve the side of the body, going up and then in. Now we're going to add in the collar. On the left side, bend this up and then out. bend this up and then in underneath the head. Now on the left side of that line, we're going to draw 3 small buttons. Let's add 2 large pockets from the side of the body. We'll come straight in, go straight down, and then back out. From the inside corner, add that flap, coming down and then out. And then inside the flap, we'll add 1 more button. Now I'm going to add that chain in the center. Starting from the left, bend this down and up, step down, trace that out again. Then we're going to add that rope texture inside, a series of curves going across. Let's add a circle across the bottom. Now from the inside corner of the jacket, we're going to step up, add another curve for the shirt. From the center, step down, add a curve, going across. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. From the outside, let's curl the foot, going up, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now along the top of the foot, we're going to add a small half circle for the tongue of the shoe. Let's go to the bottom and add a thick sole. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now from the bottom corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, we're going to round up the leg, going out and then in towards the feet. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the coat, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Now on the left, we're going to have him holding the cane. So we're going to start with the thumb, coming in and then out, go up, round up the cane. Now we're going to come straight down to line up with the foot. Let's go to the inside, draw another straight line coming down, curve the bottom, step up, and add another curve. Let's wrap those fingers along the outside, starting from the left side, going out and then up with the first finger. From the side, add the second finger, going out and up. And then the third finger, we go all the way around, bend the arm coming up and then in underneath the head. Let's move over towards the right side. We're going to start with a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers across the bottom, starting from the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, and then the third finger going all the way around the outside and then in underneath the head. Now I'm going to separate the sleeve with a curve from the thumb, going up and then out. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Notorious B.I.G. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.